My name is Abdul Takidin as patient.
My name is Krisna Yuliatul as a nurse 1.
My name is Regita Rinda Putri as a nurse 2.
My name is Sharon Evariani as nurse 3.
My name is Farisa Prastyo as patient.
Let's enjoy the video.
Check this out.
Hari-hariku lewati hanya sendiri tanpa kekasih, tapi tetap ku nikmati.
Good morning. I'm Krisnaini. I am nurse 1 taking care of you today. Are you Mr. Majid?
Yes, I'm Majid.
Okay. Today I want to take off your vital signs. Are you willing?
Yes, I'm willing.
Step 1. Wash hand. Step 2. Set the patient position. Step 3. Place the arm to be measured in the supine position. Step 4. Slap open. Step 5. Place the cuff on the upper or right arm about 3 cm above cubital fossa, not too tight or too loose. Step 6. Determine the pulse of the right radial artery or sinistra. 5. Show the magnitude of diastolic pressure auscultation. Record the result on the patient record. And the last, wash hand after procedures. Okay, sir, I finished take off your vital signs today. Your blood pressure is 120 per 80 millimeter hectogram. Your blood pressure is normal. And to go back into the room and the nurse later, if need help, you can contact me at the nurse who was there. Okay? Yes.
Hello teman semua, ayo kita sambut hari baru telah tiba. Apa yang ku rasakan, ku ingin engkau tahu dan berbagi bersama.
Good morning. I am Narsaran Evariani. You can call me Narsaran. When taking care of your Mr. Anton, how are you today? I will measure of your body temperature. Are you ready? Drying underarms with tissue. Putting thermometer on axilla and closing patient arm in chest. Step 3. Silent thermometer for 7 until 10 minutes. Lifting thermometer and cleaning with tissue, but rotation movement starting from base to tip. Next, read the thermometer and parallel the knee. Next, wash and rinse the thermometer in running water and add soap and the return into the stroke place. Next, order the tool that there has been given and dispose of the garbage in accordance with the procedure. I have finished doing the care. Mandate your health order. Hopefully a speedy recovery.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'm Regita Ninda Putri. I will take care of you in this morning. You can call me Nurse Regita. Are you Mr. Faris?
Yes, I'm fine.
What do you feel now, sir?
I have cuts and you said that difficult to remove.
Well, besides with the medicine, I will teach you to cope effectively so you can free the airway from accumulation of secretion. Are you willing?
Yes, I'm willing.
Step 2. Asking the patient to put one hand on the chest and one hand on the abdomen. The next, train the patient to breathe the abdomen or take a deep breath through the nose for up to 3 counts. Keep the mouth closed. 1, 2, 3. Ask the patient to feel the abdomen inflated or prevent the curvature on the back. And the next, ask the patient to hold the breath up to 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. And the next, asking to breathe slowly in 3 counts through the mouth, lips like blowing. 1, 2, 3. Ask the patient to feel the abdominal deflection and contraction of the muscle. And the next step, installing the vest on the croup or in the patient's lap when sitting or near the mouth when sleeping on Alice. And the next step, asking the patient to breathe in 2 times. The third, inspiration, hold the breath and go strongly. Okay, sir, please take a breath. And the next step, tidy up the patient. Okay, sir. What do you feel now after injection?
I feel good because this bottle have come out.
Alhamdulillah, you can do it again later. Well, I have finished the care maintaining your health. Hopefully, a speed recovery.
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome. Good morning. See you back. Well, I have to go back into the nursery. If you need help, you can contact me in the nursery.
Step 2. Arm over torso.
Well, you done me, and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no